Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Cherry. There's so many mosquitoes lately. I have this citronella candle Doesn't seem like it's helping at all. Anyways, it is time for us to start. And today we will complete our exploration of the 7 basic chakra identities. In the next few weeks, we'll continue working with chakras, though there is still so much to be uncovered. But right now, let's focus on our 7th chakra identity, the crown chakra. It corresponds to our universal identity. The more our consciousness expands, the larger our identity can become. And as we realize the magnificent scope of the cosmos, we have the opportunity to transcend our smaller, more limited world and identify with the entire universe. This is a common theme in mystical experiences where identification with the smaller ego states gives way to recognition of a unitary identity with all of life, all of creation. In Eastern philosophy, this is the basis of true self-knowledge, the realization of our divinity within. It is very important to understand here, though, that although the purpose of the crown chakra is to break through the bonding with the smaller self and to achieve realization of our universal identity, it does not mean our other identities need to be discarded or skipped. All of them, the physical identity of the root chakra, the emotional identity of the sacral chakra, the ego identity of the solar plexus, the social identity of the heart, the creative identity of the throat, and the archetypal identity of the third eye, they are all equally important. Like with Maslow's pyramid for the hierarchy of needs, according to which you cannot achieve self-realization unless your basic needs in the lower level of pyramid are satisfied, it's same here. We cannot suddenly jump to the very top of the chakra rainbow into our universal identity without first integrating all the other chakras. Otherwise, it becomes a recipe for spiritual bypassing, which happens often, but this is not sustainable. So let's do a practice today that will help us connect with our universal identity. And you already know this practice as So-Hum practice. So take a comfortable position, and as usual, take a few moments to settle in. Scanning your body, notice what's going on for you today. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? Close your eyes. Connect with your crown chakra, visualizing a sphere of purple color emanating powerful energy from the top of your head in all directions, as far as you can feel. How much space do you want to take up with this light? How much space can you take up? Before we start with the So-Hum practice, let's connect even more with our crown chakra by repeating the Bija mantra for it 7 times. The sound here is Im, I am. So repeat after me. Im, 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 im. Take a nice inhale and exhale and start connecting with the tidal rhythm of your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your inhalation and exhalation. As your focus settles on your breath, begin to repeat the mantra So Hum. S-O, So, Hum, H-U-M. So Hum. So Hum. You can do it out loud as you inhale, saying so, as you exhale, saying hum, or you can do it silently as you inhale, silently repeating so to yourself, as you exhale, hum, so, hum. Once the so hum rhythm has been established, begin to contemplate the deeper meaning of it. The mantra Soham can be translated as I am all that is. I am all that is. So as you inhale with the mantra So, say to yourself, I am, connecting to your essential self. Contemplate the source of your breath. Where is your breath coming from? Connect with all the billions of human beings and creatures on earth being nurtured by the same tidal rhythm of the breath. And as you exhale with the mantra hum, inwardly say all that is, and feel how your exhalation releases into the expanse around you. Visualize your exhalation leaving your body through your nostrils and then merging back into the atmosphere, back into infinity, back into all that is. So hum. I am all that is. Continue with this mantra, continue with this contemplation until you naturally begin to settle into a state of unified consciousness. Maybe it will be only for a few brief moments. It's okay. If the mind wanders, simply come back to the mantra. Don't be harsh to yourself. No judgment. So hum. So hum. I am all that is. So hum. I am that tree. So hum. I am everything there is. I am that bird, that cat. So hum. I am all that is. So hum. I am part of this universe, not separate from it. So hum. So hum. I'd like to conclude our practice today with a poem by Dana Folds titled All That Is. This is what I have to say to you. Receive the interconnected majesty of all that is. When a cardinal sings in your yard, something very like a cat picks up its ears 100 light years from here. When you feel grateful for your life, across the world, someone's heart lifts for no apparent reason. The universe is just like that. Invisible threads connecting the mountains with black holes. Earthworms joined with sound waves. Coke cans linked to crocuses. Some say the world is one. I say the language may be limited, but oneness is unthinkably inclusive. Nothing you do or say, imagine or pray, is outside creation's web. Know yourself as vastness, and someone you never met may find themselves directly experiencing truth for the very first time. The universe is just like that. Light pouring into light, love increasing, the awareness of connection growing wider and wider until inside is outside. Outside is inside. And all we're left with is miracles. As you go through your day today, I invite you to stay connected with all that is. See yourself in everything you encounter today. And remind yourself as often as you can that you are part of this universe and not separate from it. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.